T-Bone, you're all right. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Flood Relief. Give yourselves a hand just for being out here nice and early. Getting here first and foremost. Give yourselves a hand. That means you too over there, sir. Come on, give yourselves a hand. All right. Just a couple of quick bits of information. The drink tickets can be bought right over there in the right corner of the building there. And that's also where the drinks are, so get on the line quickly and stay there. The more you drink, the more it is, the more fun you're gonna have. The funnier I get, that's for shit sure. The funnier I get, the more you drink. We got a lot of great bands tonight, a lot of people who came down and gave of themselves to be here tonight. We're here to help each other get something going great, so we're gonna bring up a lot of awesome talent here tonight. Most of it already here in the room tonight. That's one of the great things about this. These guys are like a family. All the bands are already here to root each other on and be part of the whole night, just not show up for their set. Guys from the Poets are already down here in the Lake Show, and other bands are already here. They don't have to play for 2-3 more days, and they're already here. God bless them. Right, guys? God bless them. So you guys ready to get this thing tipped off or what? I need to feel the energy in the room yet before they can tip off. We can't tip off without the audience, so let's feel it. What do we got? What do we got in the right over here? You guys right up front. What do we got? You guys psyched and pumped or what? I've been in like more louder funerals, haven't you guys? That's right, that's right. Come on, let me hear it. Let me hear it up over here. Make some noise! All right. Okay, we're going to get Flood Relief off with a great band. These guys were together back in high school, which was back, what, when JFK was in the White House? Who was it? This was back way back.
I got my walking cane.
6 or 7 administrations ago, these fellows were a high school band, and they were great, and now they've come back together, and they're a special part of tonight's thing. They're going to lead off for us. Flood Relief-1993. Let's get your hands together for the first band tonight, Off-Peak!
Thanks a lot, everybody. Welcome to Flood Relief. Glad to see you all here. Be nice and tipful to all your bartenders. Everything's going to the Flood Relief. And we're going to keep it